Okay, start it. Coffee has always fascinated me. It's more than just a drink. It's a big part of our culture as human beings. Coffee also has a dark history as well, with it fueling slavery and imperialism, and to this day, it's still a huge part of world trade.
The coffee bar boom in Britain began in 1952, when the first espresso machine arrived from Italy and was set up here in London, Soho.
Want anything special for your birthday?
Just a decent cup of coffee.
But where do we get our coffee? To go to the source, we'll look at a region in Central America, in a country called Guatemala, outside of the city of Antigua.
The first step is picking the coffee beans. The redder they are, the more ripe they are. After picking, you sort through them for only the best coffee beans. Here, the workers wait in line to weigh the day's harvest.
You'll notice the children alongside the adults. Those old enough to work will pick the coffee beans alongside their parents, and children that are younger will stay next to their parents and play in the fields.
One worker can average filling 2 bags a day, and they are paid by the pound, which comes out to about $7.50 a bag. This is a volcano that has small eruptions about every 20 minutes that cover the surrounding farmland with fertile volcanic ash. The coffee beans are then laid out to dry in the sun for 15 to 18 days. Workers mix the coffee beans every 30 minutes. Next, the beans are stored in bags in a warehouse for 1 month, which helps them develop their flavor. The last step is sorting the beans by quality. These women pick through the beans by hand, looking for any that are misshapen, discolored, or broken.
That whole process all boils down to one thing: coffee.